I have the bravery to take risks and follow my dreams. My courage is unshakable. I'm not defined by my fears and anxieties. I embrace uncertainty with bravery and trust in a positive outcome. I am capable of overcoming any obstacle that stands in my way. I push past fear and choose courage. My bravery guides me forward on the path less traveled. Challenges don't intimidate or scare me. They energize and motivate me. My bravery inspires those around me. Difficult decisions are easy for me because my bravery gives me strength. Even when times get tough, I stay strong and determined. I have faith in my bravery to guide me through any tough situation. My bravery brings out the best version of myself. I boldly move forward, no matter what life throws my way. I am fearless and unafraid of the unknown. I face new challenges with courage and bravery. Nothing can stop me from achieving my goals, not even fear or uncertainty. My bravery empowers me to take action towards success. I possess an immense inner strength that gives me courage to persevere and succeed. Fear has no power over me, because bravery flows through every cell in my body. I choose bravery over fear every day. I fearlessly live life to the fullest. Challenges no longer hold me back. Bravery propels me forward. I am brave enough to face my own insecurities and overcome them. I confidently take risks and learn from any mistakes I make. My bravery gives me a strong sense of self-empowerment. Courage is my most valuable asset. I'm courageous enough to believe in myself even when it's hard. Fear doesn't control me, bravery does. My bravery shines brightly, lighting up my inner being with courage and strength. No matter how difficult the journey, bravery gives me the courage to carry on. I step into unknown territory with bravery and courage. My bravery guides me through any setback that life throws my way. I am brave enough to follow my instincts and trust in them. Fear is powerless against my bravery. Instead of running away from fear, bravery propels me forward. I confront even the most intimidating challenges with bravery and strength. Bravery allows me to move past fear and take risks to reach success. No challenge can stop me when bravery fuels my inner fire. I am brave enough to accept difficult truths and remain strong. Difficult times are opportunities for bravery to shine through. I boldly take on any challenge with bravery and courage. Even when it gets tough, bravery gives me the strength to keep going. My bravery is unshakable, even in the face of fear. I have an unwavering bravery that guides me on my life's journey. Bravery transforms difficult moments into positive experiences. I have a courageous heart full of bravery and strength. Bravery comes naturally to me, no matter what situation I face. Fear has no control over me because bravery shines through everything I do. No matter how daring or risky the task, bravery helps me to conquer it. I rise above my fears with bravery and courage. I face every challenge head-on with bravery and determination. Life's greatest opportunities come when bravery propels me forward. My bravery guides me to success in anything I do. Adversity is no match for my bravery and strength. I stay brave and true to myself, no matter what life throws at me. Bravery strengthens my inner power and brings out the best in me. No fear can hold me back because bravery is within me. With bravery as my guide, I am unstoppable on the path of success. I am brave enough to take on any challenge and win.